Yeah. Came in 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Hey guys, so today we just got a delivery of our new compressor and our new air dryer for the compressor. We got an Eaton 80 gallon 57 CFM compressor, 115 CFM air dryer. There was an issue. Watch the end of the video, and at the end of the video you'll be told the issue. So this video is just going through the process. He unloaded it, he put it in, dealing with damage on one of the items. So kind of like what to do in that kind of situation. And so it's just basically a video clip of what happened. I'm not gonna break it up. So there's gonna be some weird spots in it, like my camera sucks. So it's gonna be a little bit of everywhere, but I'm just doing a straight video just because of the issue. And at the end of the video, I'll talk about the issue, talk about what's being done, okay? If you'd like to subscribe to our videos, we would definitely appreciate it. There we go. How are you doing?
Good, how about you?
What's your name?
Darren?
From where? What company?
Oh, XP Logistics.
A little heavy, is she?
Yeah, it's just awkward. Yeah, you don't wanna... These lift gates aren't the largest, so.
Yeah, we ordered this back in March and we're finally getting it.
Yeah, welcome to the new times, right?
Right, literally.
I build gaming computers, so I'm well aware of waiting for parts.
Oh, you guys must be waiting for...
Graphics cards are like ridiculous right now.
That's so much smaller than I thought with all the horsepower it has. It's 57 CFM on that freaking machine. I thought it was gonna be huge. I'm good with it being that small though.
Yeah, you definitely don't want, I mean, the more compact that you make stuff, the better.
Yeah, exactly.
Now the other one, you can see it from here. The rest of it's fine. It's just that one has a gouge.
Gotcha.
If you want it, you want to refuse it, you can. If you want to keep it, and then talk to the shipper, we can just write it up so you protect it. I'll take pictures of it.
Yeah, I take pictures of it and I'll give them a call.
Yeah.
Did it leave them that way or was it in transit?
In transit it happened.
To one of the ways?
Because basically there was a box around it, then that was about it. So I took the box off it so you could see the...
Okay, so the box
damage.
ended up cutting
I
it.
didn't want to try to hide the damage over here. This one I looked in, it was fine because we've had some compressors come with them.
Which way is the front?
I'm going to, what I'm going to do is, yeah, I think I'll be able to make it
Just
okay.
front it and spin it?
I was going to try to pull it up because you get more power that way, but...
Yeah, if you need any help, let me know.
Yeah, no problem. I think I got it, yep. Let me see.
Yeah, because she's going to the wall to the left.
What's that? Oh, the one on the left.
Yeah, that's where I'm
Yep.
putting her.
So the front, the gauge is right on this side, so I'm guessing that's the front.
Yep, yep.
I will spin it. YouTube videos, man, I'll tell you what, that's how I do everything, man.
Do you?
Oh, God.
Me too. I've learned that YouTube University
Did
is
you
where...
really?
Absolutely.
That's how I learned how to do money on walls, build my computer.
Everything.
Like, I follow so many people on YouTube. So
Yep, you can just set that there. That's fine.
All right, cool. Yeah, I don't know what I do on YouTube.
I know. Before you had to learn shit. Now...
It must have taken forever. And when I do something, I research the hell out of it.
Yep. Watch other people's errors so
That's a lot.
don't make the same mistakes.
My wife's like, God, you're like Jack of all trades, master of none. I'm like, definitely not master of anything, but
But it's good because you can do your own
Yeah.
shit.
Almost. But these days, forget trying to have a contract unless you have a lot of money.
Exactly.
You're just not showing up.
Yeah, we had to wire our shop for our old compressor and stuff, and I watched it on YouTube.
Yep. It's a little scary. I mean, you gotta watch it a couple times to make sure you know.
Hopefully that you're not learning from some idiot.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's why you gotta look at multiple videos, see how popular they are, see, you know. Here, I'll give you this for you. Yeah, they just had this sitting on top with no.
Oh, it's the dryer.
The
I know
compressor
what that
thing.
is. Yep.
Yeah, so I don't see. The good thing is I don't see any dents or anything, so. I'm guessing it's just that gouge.
So will they do some kind of something for that?
Oh, like I would call them and be like, hey, this is what happened. I'll keep it, but I would.
Something, some kind of compensation since it's not what I wanted. And it'd be cheaper than sending it back.
Here, I'm gonna go backwards off this. I mean, a lot of companies do that because they'd rather do that
Then send it back and all that. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, because it's not like. I mean, maybe switch panels. The largest thing I have people do is to call them right away because it protects you against any. Like, say you start it up and down the road, it starts to falter.
Oh, and they say, yeah.
If you do the damage.
So would it be the shipping company you call or the main
No,
company and
I would
let them deal with
I
it?
call these guys direct. But
Yeah.
they'll handle it with us. The
Perfect.
good thing is, hopefully, they'll take care of you directly, and then you don't have to worry about handling it. Because you don't want to do that. That's
No, it's a pain in the ass.
you get it from the people who will compensate you, directly. And it's not your problem. You let them send you the new stuff,
Yeah, literally.
or cut the price.
And you can just drop that anywhere.
Yeah, I'll spit
You're
it out.
fine.
Put it right here for you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, I'm gonna take some pictures of the damage to my handheld and put it in there. Yeah, I think last time I brought you a tool chest. That was like 2 years ago, I think.
The one that we put down back?
Yeah, I think. Were you working for a security company or?
Yep, still working for a
Oh, still
security
there,
company.
Yep. All right. So,
Okay, let me just put this inside.
okay. And this is called a. You say a dryer.
That's a dryer.
Okay.
Yep, an air compressed dryer.
Okay.
Did you ever watch that other one with us on it? Moving it into the back and everything?
Oh, you had to move it all around the back?
Yeah, yeah. I had one guy, we put a oven in the very back. Then we did that glass cabinet
Yep.
into this back. And they're all recorded. And here's our card. And on
Oh
the
yeah,
back,
I was like, what is
it's
the
the
YouTube
channel.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, on the back, if you look at this
Oh,
URL code.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you just scan and go right.
Yeah, and it goes to the
man. Good
channel.
For you, dude.
Yeah.
Wind driver gouge down front. Pieces exhibit damage. Let's see.
It's cosmetic, but nowadays,
Yeah, it's
whatever
just
you
what
can
I worry
do.
about is the internals. Did
Yep.
it do anything? I mean, I don't. Probably not, but you just can't tell.
Oh, it must have got off that too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll have a picture of all that.
Oh, this is exciting! Finally getting this fucking thing.
You got a lot of followers now, or
We our goal was 100.
and you've exceeded that?
Yeah, we've got like
Nice.
650 now.
Oh, nice.
Now we're working our way to 1,000 to be able to do live.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's cool.
The live parts.
I was gonna say, during COVID, I'm sure like that was helpful for you.
Oh yeah, it went up.
You know, people have nothing better to do than sit at home,
Yep.
and I mean, you sit there and they'll start, the algorithm will start showing you like, oh, what about this? You ever thought of this?
Yeah, I watch YouTube all like
Yeah.
that's my main thing to watch.
So like, yeah, I pick
That's
up on guys
bad.
that like new hobbies.
Yep.
All about the hobbies. You know, I have no.
Or
time
you
to
see,
do them.
that's how we started. Like I used to powder coat like 8 years before I started this company with my uncle.
Yep.
Then I saw it on YouTube and I was like, I guess I'll just try that
Do it
myself.
yourself, yeah.
Talk to my uncle and he's like, yeah, I'll help you out. Let's
That's
just
the
get it
biggest
going."
step is doing it on your own. You know.
Yeah.
AUG.
Crazy that that has such big CFM on it.
All right, cool. You can do this one too, sir.
Yeah.
All right, so. Oh. Let's look at that too. One dryer with gouge. Cool. All right, so we just want to sign and print, please, sir. Where's that?
There you go.
There you go, sir.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Have yourself a good afternoon. Enjoy.
Yeah. And check out the channel.
Yeah,
This video will be out within like 2 days.
Yeah, hey, you never
it's
know.
a short
I
one.
might get into powder coating. My wife will be like, "What?
What the hell are you doing now?"
She's like, "You have no time. You have no time for the computer stuff you do." And I'm like, "Yeah."
Yeah, that's what we do. Besides working at Smugs, I also work for Paragon, and then do this.
Yeah. As a Vermonter, you have to be jack of all trades.
Yeah, you do.
Although if you wait it out now, you might be able to just do one job rather than paying people.
Right.
Like,
Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Okay. So. It's a little tank. But I think I might direct hook it to this. It will give me more volume if I do that. So maybe that's gonna be the goal. Get rid of that little fucking thing. Okay guys, I'll show you more during the build process. Hey guys, so we're at the end of the whole process of bringing it in. Look more at the compressor. The compressor to me, it was like, damn, it's not as big as I thought, which was freaking awesome, just because it wasn't going to take up so much room. So by watching the video, you know that that had damage on it. Well, what we didn't realize is this baby here wasn't mine. I started looking at it. I ordered an 80-gallon tank, 57 CFM. I have a 60 gallon in a shop, and this tank looks smaller than it. So I was like, you know, something's up. So I read the information on the side of this, and the tank's a 30-gallon tank, 26 CFM. So it's half of what we ordered. So I ended up calling the company, and they are going to be sending us a new chiller and a new compressor, of course, because we paid for it. We paid almost $8 grand for them both together. So we're not taking nothing less. So that's what we're doing. We also have a few things coming up. When I'll record when the actual ones come, we'll record that, putting it together and stuff. We also have an Ameriblaster Hurricano, I think it's called a Wink kit, W-I-N-K. It's a water kit that goes on your pot blaster. So ours just came in, and we're gonna hook that up and check that out. So we'll see how that goes. If it's anything like the rest of their stuff, we're gonna be happy. We live in a house. Well, most people live in a fucking house. We live in a house with a shop out back. So we're surrounded by an apartment building and another house. I think that even might be an apartment building. And when we blast, we get a lot of freaking dust in the air. And our neighbors are pretty much little bitches about it. So it's not like much goes over there. But yeah, so we are gonna try that out, see if I can keep the dust down with as much power. I'm sure it will. So, okay guys, we'll have that coming up. We have another video here coming out today or tomorrow. I'm not sure which video it is. I did 3 the other day in one day, so whatever one hasn't come out already, that's the one that will come out. Thank you for the comments when I was asking you about our videos not being as clean and professional as other people's. That helped out a lot. And if you're new to our videos, if you can like and subscribe, that helps us out a lot too. We don't get monetary value. Monetary value, is it? Monetary, I think something like that. You guys know what I'm talking about. We don't get that because we use normal music in our copyrighted music in our videos. But if I'm gonna sit down and watch something like this, I want to hear music instead of just a beat of a drummer or something stupid like that. So, okay guys, so I guess this is the end of the video. So I will see you on the next video.